What if I told you that Guru Nanak Dev Ji once gave away an entire store, yet nothing was lost? The workers stood frozen in shock. Stop him! He is giving away everything. But Guru Nanak Dev Ji kept serving the people, calmly repeating, Tera, Tera, Tera. Someone immediately ran to complain to Nawab Daulat Khan. Your storekeeper is emptying the entire store. But when the store was checked, every sack was still full. How did Guru Nanak Dev Ji reach Sultanpur Lodi and become the storekeeper in the first place? Mehta Kaluji was always worried and annoyed at Nanakji for his negligence towards worldly affairs. He would think, what will Nanak ever do in his life? He complained about the same to Rai Bularji and his son-in-law Pai Jairamji. Bebe Nanki ji was married to Jairamji of Sultanpur Lodi. He was a government employee working under Nawab Daulat Khan. He had a great regard and devotion for Nanak ji, just like Rai Bularji. Both Jairam and Rai Bularji suggested that Nanak be sent to Sultanpur Lodi and he will find a job for him, thus relieving the worries of father. Kaluji agreed very hesitantly. Upon arrival in Sultanpur Lodi, there was no limit to the joys of Bebe Nanki ji. She was over the moon to see her brother stay with her. She touched Guruji's feet as well as gave him the biggest room in the house and herself moved to the smaller room. When Guruji questioned why she bowed to him despite being his elder sister, Bibi Nanki ji replied softly, to the world, you may be my brother, but in my heart, I see the light of the divine within you. After a period of time, one evening, Nanak ji said that everyone says it is the duty of a man to work, and I would also like to work. Moreover, he told about the importance of kirt, that is, to earn honestly and work hard, which leads to a truthful life. Pai Jairamji got Nanak a job as a storekeeper under Nawab Daulat Khan. He too adored Nanak. Actually, who didn't? Nanak ji quickly grew famous around Sultanpur Lodi for his kindness and honesty. He would sing praises of Lord and people would sit there forgetting everything. Nanak ji used to distribute his earnings amongst the needy and helped everyone. Nanak ji was always meditating while working and used to get lost in his meditation. He would weigh the food and go on counting in Punjabi. Ik, do, tin. And when he would reach the number 13, he would continuously start saying, Tera, Tera, Tera. The number 13 is called Tera in Punjabi. It also means yours. Guru Nanak ji would say Tera as a reference to God. All yours, all yours, all yours. And give extra provisions to everyone. Everyone was happy at Nanak ji's store, but someone complained about him, saying to Nawab that Nanak doesn't measure properly and gives away more food than required. He is definitely incurring a loss to you. The Nawab levied a charge on Nanak and investigated the case. But to everyone's surprise, the stores were fully packed. Guru Nanak Dev Ji teaches us the value of Kirt Karo, Naam Japo, and Vand Shako with us through his life. The Gurdwara Hat Sahib stands there today. Tune in next Thursday for more Sikh History Sakhis. Thank you.